Hi everyone, welcome today a new week, Monday December the 21st. We have only a regular Sudoku, and this one is a medium Sudoku. Only one, yes, because in the today's newspaper, yes, on Monday December the 21st 2020, we do not have any extra Sudokus. No additional. Today, no additional. Let me show this here. The lockdown. Yeah. Alright. No extra Sudokus. Let me show you. Let me show you. Yes. No extra Sudokus in this newspaper. Page. And it's a pity because today is Monday, so new week, and we already have 2 days, the Saturday and the Sunday, to solve the Sudokus. Here, only one, the medium Sudoku. So I expected the Monday will be good to have extra Sudokus, but no extra Sudokus in this newspaper. Maybe if I have time, I will solve the rest of the Sudokus of Saturday. So if I have time today, I will solve them. But today, only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. Let me focus this because we want a clear view. Yeah. Yeah. Zoom out. Yes. And it's the Monday, December the 21st. Yes. Alright. So, we will start this baby. Yes. And this will be number 2041. Yes. 2041. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 3 is equal to 8. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15, plus 5 is 20. Plus 5 is 25, plus 2 is equal to 27. Printed digits. Why I count those digits? Well, it's an indication of the difficulty level, so you can compare with the extra Sudokus in the additional. The 1 star has 27, the 2 stars 26, the 3 stars 25, and the 4 stars, actually it's 24, but lately the publisher has also for the 4 stars 25 printed digits. This one is a 1 star Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see. In the middle column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers, the 2 and the 6, we have in this big square. So no 2 and a 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 and a 6 goes in these 3 boxes. The 2 and a 6. Well, we see here 2 and a 6 in the first row. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. So the 2 and a 6 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this column. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for a 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column, a 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 place for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see there 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have an 8 in this row. 8 in a row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8 and no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 boxes left. The 4 and the 6 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. No. Need to wait. How about the number 1 in this column, 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about the number 8 in this column? 8 in the second column. So the column next, the first column, the only place for an 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. How about 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. I cannot continue with the 5. Yeah. 7 in the last row. 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 3, 4, 6. Alright. Well. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those numbers are the 1 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. And look, we have a 3 here, 3 there. So no 3s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. Let me mark those boxes. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 4 and the 6. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in the last row for the number 6. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left. in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 place for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see here 5, we see there 5, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. And now let me see. Yeah. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle, a row on the row below. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. I cannot continue with the 3. 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those numbers are the 3 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 9 is missing. And look, we have a 7 here, so no 7 there. Here also a 7, or there 7, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 should be here. So the 3 and the 9 are missing now. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. We have a 3 here, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now I can do this, and all the 3's are used. I can see, yes, digit number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 9 and the 1. We have a 9 here, no 9 there, 9 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so on the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this is going to be 1 and more. This should be the 1, and this should be a 4. And all the 1's are used. I can see digit number 2. All right. Then. How about 4? Yeah. How about the How about these 2 numbers? The missing numbers here are the 4 and the 7. 4 and the 7. And I cannot fill this yet. The 4 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. No. 7, 4, and 6 are missing. Alright. How about these 3 numbers? The 2 is missing, the 4 is missing. The 2 and the 4, and the 9 is missing. We see here 4, so no 4 in those 2 boxes in this big square. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 9 and the 2. We have a 9 there, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 6, I believe. Yes, 6 is missing. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 2 boxes left in the second row, the 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 3. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. How about those 2 boxes in this column, the 9 and the 7, I believe. Cannot fill this yet. 1 box left in this column for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this column, the 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7, and now we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 1, the 2 is missing in this column. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 and 8. 2 and 8 are missing in this column. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 8 goes there. 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row. So the row below. The only place for 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in the first column. The numbers 5 and 4 are missing. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row below. Only place for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 4 and the 9. We have a 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. We see here 9, no 9. No. We have a 9 here. These 2 boxes, the 9 and the 7, are missing in this big square. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this center big square, the 7 and the 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. All right. Could be faster, but I'm very pleased for this Sudoku Medium. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Maybe I will do, I cannot promise you the rest of the puzzles of Saturday. Yes, Saturday I have 4 or 5 puzzles left. I will post them only if I have time. So this one I will post first. It's on Monday today. So see you next time. You can also download this PDF file. Don't forget. Also the other PDF files, you can also download them and make them by yourself. Alright? And if you have troubles, you can leave a comment. Maybe I will answer it. Yes? Alright. See you very soon. Bye bye.